Hello everyone, today we have Acer Aspire screen that you want to replace it. So it's Aspire 5, A1515. To replace the screen, just remove the bezel, the frame, the bracket around the screen by simply putting your fingers under and pulling it outwardly. Don't worry about putting a little bit of pressure because they are held by little brackets, so you're not going to damage anything, so you're not glued in or anything like that. So once you remove the brackets, the bezel, the full screws, use your double zero Phillips screwdriver in order to remove the full screws that holds the bracket in place. And it's a good idea if you use magnetized. If you don't have one, a magnetized screwdriver. If you don't have one, simply get a magnet and rub against the screw bits, and then that will make it magnetized. So once you remove the full screws from the bracket, simply pull the screen toward yourself. That give you access to the back of the screen cable, the LCD cable, and it's taped down with factory tape. Simply lift it up. If you can't get access, if you can't lift it up, just get a sharp tool to get a bit of leverage so you can pry it open. And once you've done that, simply pull it out outwardly, away from yourself. Once you replace the screen, this is, by the way, 30 pins HD screens. The same procedure goes when you're putting it back in place. So instead of me just going to record the whole things, I thought I'm going to save some time. So yeah.